let's check. It has been simmered for about 30 minutes. Ooh, as you can see, nicely it's boiling. So now, this is okay. Let's just taste if salt is fine. Oh, so hot. No, I don't need salt. No, I don't want to add more salt. This is fine for us. So now this is done. As you can see, we'll have this with rice. Good morning and happy Wednesday to everyone, and I hope you guys are doing fine and safe and healthy. And today I'm gonna show you one of the Portuguese dish which commonly cook in Goa, India, and they call it sorpotel. Sorpotel is a content with pork and some ready-made masala, which I have bought from Goa. Last year I've gone for holiday in India. In Philippines, we have similar sorpotel in Philippines, and we call it dinuguan. In Philippines, we are using organs and blood. And this sorpotel I'm cooking right now, this is no content of organs and no content as well of blood. So this is just a plain meat. Have here a pork. So I have pork. This is 1 kg pork belly. First, we just have to boil this, okay, and cut into small pieces. And for the spices, I'm using the ready-made one. Actually, I bought this when I've gone to India last year for holiday. We went to Goa, and my husband bought this actually because my husband loves sorpotel. Actually, he's the one requesting me to make sorpotel today. Then he bought this one, and this is content of peppercorns, cashmere chilies, cumin seeds, garlic, and ginger, and cumin seeds. All those ingredients, Indian spices, they grind all together and they make a paste. So there's no pork blood, anything like that I'm using. So this is no pork blood. Anyway, first, let's just boil our pork. So please join with me. So I have here a water. I just have to dump my meat here. And I have cut lemon, just dump here, and a lot of ginger. And we need some of the, what do you call this, black pepper or peppercorn. We need some of it. We need some cloves, star anise. I'm putting some of star anise, and cardamom, and of course we need the cinnamon stick. I have cinnamon stick. Just have to, oh my god, it's just, that's enough. And some bay leaves. And just put salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. And then after this, just boil it. We just first boil this one. It is boiling now for like 45 minutes. So it's time for us to remove this. It's hot. And this one, we don't have to throw this. We can use it when we have to cook when we need the gravy. So now let's start cutting this in a small cubes. It's very hot. I'm gonna use a fork. Just small cubes we have to do. So I'm cutting in this small cut piece, like this. So now, this is all. I have cut into small pieces. As you can see, this is ready now. Now let's cook this again. And now we have to cook our pork again. So this is we have to put oil, like about 2 tablespoons of it. And on here, we can put our chopped onion. I have 2 medium size of onion here. I have chopped just for it inside. And then just saute the onion until it gets translucent or brown. Now, this is already okay. It's golden brown, it's cooked. Now on this stage, we have to put our ginger garlic paste. It's just about 1 tablespoon of it. No, 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. And just saute for just few seconds. That is okay. And now we have to put our chopped boiled meat inside. And then you just give a good mix. And this is the time that we can add this is the ready-made Sorpotel spices. So I'm gonna put around 2 tablespoons of this. We just finish it because only little is there left. This is the last packet we have. So now let's just give a good mix. as you can see, it's like this color, like brown, dark brown color, like red. I don't understand the color. It's like brown actually. See? This is the color. So anyway, now we just have to give a really good mix. And after this, we have to put water. The same water we're gonna put when we boil. This is the boiled water. So now we have to put water in, put everything. And just give a good mix again. And then now we have to put salt in this. So I'm adding another 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. And let this get boiled. So now we have to simmer this. Let's simmer this for 30 minutes. Check, it has been simmered for about 30 minutes. Ooh, as you can see, nicely it's boiling. So now, this is okay. They just taste if salt is fine. Oh, so hot. No, I don't need salt. No, I don't want to add more salt. This is fine for us. So now this is done. As you can see, we'll have this with rice. So now we're done cooking our Portuguese dish. This is the sarpatel. And see, as you can see, it's look like dinuguan. So looks like dinuguan. Anyway, so I hope you have find interesting this recipe today. And what is more interesting is that, and when you cook this, actually you are supposed to eat this only 3 days after, because it is more tastier. So like every day in 3 days, you just have to keep it making hot morning and evening for the next 3 days. Then so today we have learned one recipe, which is the Portuguese recipe, and we call it sarpatel. So I hope you have enjoyed my cooking show today, and I'll see you to my next one, and please be safe. Bye.
Please like,